Happy Monday, class! We are now moving into vowel pairs. And what that means is in a word, two vowels are side by side. Today we are going to focus on the vowel pair AI. And that is why our reader for the week is titled The Snail. Now I'm going to look at each word, going sentence by sentence to locate all the AI words in the passage. Check to make sure you highlighted these words as well, because we will chunk and blend them after this. Let's go. And remember, we are only looking for the words that have AI in them. Let me get my highlighter. I notice this word has AI. I notice this word has AI. I notice this word has AI. 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 This word again, and I saw that at the beginning of our story. This word has AI. This word has AI. This word, and I remember seeing that word again. This word has AI. This word has AI, and that's the third time we saw that word. This word, we see that word again. This word has AI, and I remember that word in the title of our story. This word, and this word has AI. Perfect. So we located all the words with AI in them. Now let's go through our reader and chunk and blend the sounds for these words that have AI in them. So the title is called The Snail. This word has AI. That's the first word in the reading passage. And what we have to remember is the phonics rule with the vowel pairs. When two vowels go walking, so we see an A and an I, those are two vowels, the first one does the talking. So that A does the talking. So the I is going to be silent. But that A is going to be long. It's going to say its name. A. So let's sound G-ale. G-ale. Gale. The. All right, this word again has AI, but we have to remember it has the SN blend. Snail, snail. Gale the snail was very sad. She felt like she was too. All right, this word has AI, but before we need to do the beginning sound that has the blend PL, pull. So pull, ain, pull, ain, plain. She felt like she was too plain, so that's why she was sad. I know how to fix this, she said in her. Right, we see this word. It has the BR, again, another blend. It has the AI, and then it has the ending sound, okay? So remember, BR, burr. That AI, what happens with this vowel pair? When two vowels go talking, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, so the A is in front of that I, so it's going to be a long A. So ain, ain. I know how to fix this, she said in her brain. So she's thinking, she knows that she was sad because her shell, she thought she was too plain, but she thinks that she knows how to fix it. Let's see what happens. I will, then another blend, st, st. Remember, ai, it says the long a because the I silent, stain. I will stain my shell with, now look here, we have that p at the beginning sound, p, the ai again, that makes that long a because that's the first vowel, and that I silent, so it's going to be a long a, p, ain't. I will stain my shell with paint. This word we saw again. It's the name of the snail, and her name was Gail. Gail did not want to. Now let's look. We have a W as the beginning sound, so that makes the W, the AI again, long A, because that's the first vowel and the I silent. Ate. I will stain my shell with paint. Gail did not want to wait. So that means she's going to do it right then and there. She wants to do it as soon as possible. She got a, now look, this word has AI in it as well, that p beginning sound, ale. She got a pail and started to, and I see this word again, but let's sound it out just in case you don't remember. Ain't. She got a pail and started to paint. Oh no! It started to, let's look, it has the R at the beginning of the word. And the R makes what sound? R. Who can remember what AI, what that vowel pair says? Good, long A, ain. It started to rain. Okay, so Snail, she was sad because she was too plain. She thought of a way to fix it, and she was going to paint her shell. But then it started to rain, so what do you think happened? Let's read to see. The paint washed off. Gail, the snail, because we see that SN blend, snail, was plain again. So if you thought that the paint washed off her shell, you were correct. So boys and girls, we did a great job. We identified all the words that had AI in them and then made sure when we sounded that word out that we used that long A, because when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. In Gale you hear the A but not the I. Good job, friends. So remember, whenever you see that A-I vowel pair, that is going to make the long A, and that I is going to be silent. Shh. Let me know if you have any more questions. Try and go through the reader again and see if you can sound out some of the words that we found that had the A-I vowel pair.